Hi, how are you doing today? I am back again with another unboxing video. Today I have with me the Canon M50 Mark II 4K mirrorless camera. This is a 4K camera, even though it's cropped in. I think I like it cropped because of the zooming effect it gives my face, to be honest, and with the tracking it's quite good. Let's actually go ahead and unbox this camera, shall we? Here is the box containing the Canon M50 Mark II mirrorless camera. It comes with a kit lens, so I think I'm gonna use that for quite a while. So let's actually go ahead and see the body of the box. How does it look? How does it feel? And then we'll get right into the unboxing of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II mirrorless camera. Let's open it up now. Takes a bit of wiggling. And then we got the image.canon information sheet. We got some other sheets. I don't know what it's doing right now, but of course I can just put that away for now. Then we got the manual that comes in several languages. That's a lot of things to read through. I'm not sure I'll actually do that. And then I'll open up the packaging area, and then I got a power cable for the battery charger. That's the camera itself. Looks really small but mighty. Then I got the strap. Next strap, I'm not sure I'll be using that since it's gonna be on the tripod anyways. Then I got the battery charger thing. Put that away also. Then in there I got the lens. That's the kit lens that comes with the Canon EOS M50. Looks really nice. And then finally in the box I got a battery. I'm gonna package this all to the side and then just go ahead and strip every other thing open in the box. Got the battery, got the battery charger again. Just gonna get all the nylons of it. Got the neck strap, split it open. Got a power cable, which is really long. Then the lens, which looks smoothly nice. I was actually expecting a bigger camera, but then I was surprised to see the size of this. Then I got the M50 Mark II itself in a very small body. Then I got the vari-angle tilting lens, so it can go many angles as much as I want it to go. You can slap it back there. Looks pretty nice. Put that back in. To download the Canon EOS webcam utility software, I'll go ahead to the Canon website and look for the application. The website loads up, and then I scroll down to download the setup for my operating system, which is Windows. This also works on Mac OS, but Windows is what I use right now, so I'll select that. I'll fill in the form with my email address and my name, and I'll submit. Once I submit the form, I'll get a page to click to download the Canon EOS webcam utility software. Once I click on that, it will download a zip folder to my computer. Then I'll need to go ahead and extract the files from the folder that was just downloaded for me. I'll let the number to click on extract all. And then I hit enter. In a couple of seconds I get the extracted software, and then I run the setup file. If I'm a techie, I can go ahead and click the x64 or the raw version to just install, but I'm not so much of a techie, assumably, so I click on the setup. I follow the prompt on the screen to finish the installation process for my computer. Please note this might require a little restart from your computer to work. Once the installation is done, I am ready to start using the EOS webcam utility software. Installation is done, so I'll quickly go ahead and restart my computer. I will open up my streaming software, which is OBS, and then add a new video source. From the prompt that comes up, I will select EOS webcam utility, and then that will directly connect to my Canon M50 Mark II. And there I go. That is the feed coming directly from the camera, and then I click on OK. Once I'm ready to go, readjust the size as I want, put it in the right places for me to work with, and then I think I'll be happy. I think I need to adjust the orientation of my face and then the height and all those other ones, but I think pretty much all that is good and ready to go. Next, I'll open up my conferencing software, which is Microsoft Teams, to actually set up my EOS webcam utility also with it. I'll go over to settings and go over to devices and then select the camera. I'll switch over from my old camera, which is the Canon V2 for Windows, to EOS webcam utility. And then that's the camera looking at me. I can adjust the zoom and level as much as I want to. Next, I will show how I use the Camlink 4K with my EOS M50 Mark II. I'm back in OBS. I'll change from EOS webcam utility to Camlink 4K, and then that's it. It's cropped in, but I think I like the fact that it's close into my face. So that's it, just like that. No, I didn't need it. I exit that and I open up Microsoft Teams, which is my conferencing software. I changed the output to Camlink 4K instead of EOS webcam utility. Go to devices, it's already selected, so ta-da, that's it. Nice and easy. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II comes with a 15 to 45mm lens, which actually for me does a lot of the job. In the future, if I need to get any other lens, I think I'll just go ahead and buy it, since it's compatible with some of the Canon lenses, and if it's not, I'll just get a lens adapter to go ahead with it. It's a 4K camera, as I said earlier on, but it has a crop factor. But for me, that is not much of an issue because it pretty much zooms in on my face when I'm doing my live streams and my recording and voiceovers and anything I'm doing on my computer. So that cropping in is kind of a blessing for me. Also, it comes in a very small body, as I mentioned earlier on, with a 24.1 megapixel APS CMOS sensor. It makes it can capture rich quality images without you having to do quite so much. I sent the pictures over to one of my friends when I got the camera, and was really impressed with the color quality of the camera. So I'll give it up to Canon for that. But the crop factor, maybe fix it in some other firmware update or whatever. I don't really care right now. I'm liking it, and that is all I gotta say about the camera. I'm not too much of a camera person, but I think I like what I get out of this camera. Right about now, it comes at about £619. That is with the kit lens in the UK, but you can check the links in the description below for the updated price of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II in the UK. If you're in other regions, just go to the dedicated marketplace for your region and you get the current price of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Let's look at some images shot on the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. No extra setting, no manual exposure, just point and shoot. This is all you're seeing right now on your screen. Right, that's about the camera for me. I think I enjoy what it's done. I enjoy the quality of it. Let me know what you think about the Canon M50 Mark II in the comment section. Well, I have my reservation about it quite yet, but I think I enjoy the budget it comes with. I enjoy the features I get out of it. I enjoy the fact that I can actually just go ahead and shoot stuff, and I actually have it connected also with my OBS software, so I can use clean HDMI out for streaming, and I don't have to worry about USB in terms of the quality of the resolution. When I'm doing the video capture thing with the HDMI, I actually use the 1080p resolution so that, you know, who really streams in 4K these days. So I do 1080p, and then it's quite crisp and clean. Let me know your thoughts about the Canon M50 Mark II in the comment section, and yeah, that's it. So till I come your way again with another video, I'll say stay safe and goodbye.